Welcome to our counter display table installation guide. Begin by unboxing the product and carefully aligning it on a flat surface. Refer to the provided instruction manual for step-by-step guidance. Ensure all the necessary kits are available by cross-checking with the items shown in this video. Next, start assembling the table using the numbered components. Match the numbers for easy installation. Place the bottom base and top base side by side. There will be 8 aluminum frames. Attach 4 to the bottom base and 4 to the top base. Secure the leg stands tightly to prevent any shaking or instability. Once all the leg stands are in place, attach the covered board on top and secure it with the bottom stand. Confirm that all legs are securely fixed for stability. Now, it's time to install the fabric onto the frames. Insert the silicone-edged fabric into the board gap area. Stretch the bottom fabric over the bottom board, ensuring a smooth, wrinkle-free covering. Utilize the zipper area for convenient storage of your items. Follow these instructions carefully for a successful installation of your counter display table. Backdropsource, printing premier backdrops since 2004.